Hi my Bookie Busts and Bookie Bears, it's Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Chanel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, boo. Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and snow. Today is Vlogmas day 9, and I'm going to be doing the 20 plus teenage Christmas list items. So I'm going to be giving y'all a whole bunch of Christmas items that y'all can put, well, a whole bunch of items that y'all can put on y'all Christmas list, because I know some of y'all just don't know what to get. Like me, I didn't know what to get. So we're just going to give y'all 20 plus Christmas items to put on your list. Yes, I know I look a hot mess. Yes, I know I've been slacking. I'm sorry. It was my birthday weekend, and I just stopped. Like, I was having so much fun that I didn't even, mind you, I didn't even record but one of my birthday dinners, which is a good thing. I still got a video, but I'm kind of upset that I didn't get my other one, because that one was very fun. It was like all my friends and stuff was there, so it was like kind of more than what this one coming up will be, but it's okay. We still got content, and we still are getting up to date. I posted Vlogmas day 4, 5, 6, and then I have to post 7 and 8, and this is 9. So yeah, y'all, I'm getting all caught up. Won't be getting off track again, okay? Because we have 2 weeks until Christmas. So yeah, that means we got to get up off our butt and post this content, okay? Okay. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you get notified anytime I post. And yeah, let's start. I went ahead and made me a list of some other items, as well as I'm going to tell y'all the items that are on my Christmas list, because it's like, why not go ahead and give y'all a whole bunch of, you know, items that y'all can get. Go through all of these items, and I'm going to tell y'all everything that's up here that y'all can get. And yeah, so yeah, first we're going to start off with number 1. Number 1 is underclothes. You can never go wrong with asking for some socks, bras, underwear, anything like that for Christmas, because it's like, first of all, when we get socks, it's like they be disappearing in the dryer. Literally. You wash them, you don't got to pair them after socks no more. Seriously, you don't. So go ahead and ask for some underclothes, underwear, bras, socks, all of that. Just so you can get that out the way. That's the most simplest thing to ask for number 1 on your Christmas list. Number 2, a Shein card. You can never go wrong with no clothes, baby. Clothes are clothes. Anybody loves clothes, so why not add it on your list? I know everybody got a Shein cart just building up, adding a whole bunch of winter stuff to it, and they ain't bought it yet. Put that on your Christmas list. That's number 2. On to number 3, we have gift cards to your favorite place. Sometimes people just want gift cards, and if you're one of those persons, go ahead and put gift cards on your list, and make sure you put your favorite places beside them. At least put 5, so you give the people a variety of options that they can get you, a variety of gift cards that they can get you one from, if that makes sense. So gift cards is number 3. Number 4 is money. If you hit the age like me, baby, 18, and you don't know what you want for Christmas and you want to buy your own thing, go ahead and put some money on your list instead of just making a whole list. It's like, money is boring to ask for Christmas, though, because what are you going to open on Christmas? Everybody still wants to get the excitement of opening something on Christmas. I know I do. So, yeah. I won't put money on my list, but if you want to, go ahead and put money on your list. Next, we have an aloe set. A little aloe. I don't know how you say it, but them sets are so cute. If you're a girl, like a girly girl like me, and just love throwing a little set and some fur boots, or a little set and some sneakers, go ahead and put that on your list, boo. Next up, we got a Coach purse. Yes, I put on my list a Coach purse because I know I want one. This is the specific one that I want right here. Also, every item is going to have a little picture of what, you know, what each looks like and which one you could ask for, because maybe if I suggest one on the video, you might want that one, or you might not know that it, you know. But yeah, that Coach purse right there, I want that Coach purse so bad. It just gives grown. Like, it's just so cute. So if y'all love to carry around purses like me, girl, y'all know I have a whole bunch of purses. Like, I have a whole collection. Also, link down below if y'all want me to do a purse collection, because I have a whole bunch of purses that I just be having back there and don't even wear half the time. Moving on to number 7, we have shoes. Make sure y'all ask for all them shoes that y'all want this year. Well, not this year, for Christmas. Because, baby, I want these new Jordans that just came out right here. They're so cute, bro. I want them so bad. Like, literally, I'm a sneakerhead. So, I want those Jordans so bad. But make sure you ask for those boots, sneakers, slides. Just every, like, type of shoe that you really want. Because a lot of us in the wintertime don't be having no winter shoes. Like, we don't be having no boots for real. We just be having sneakers. And just, like, there's no way we can really be versatile with our winter style if we don't have that many, you know, shoe options but sneakers. So, ask for some shoes. Number 8, we have a coat. Yes, I know some of us girls get real, like, us girls in the wintertime do not like coats for real. I know I was one of those girls. But girl, when you go out that door and you feel how cold it is, when it feel like Frosty Snowman shake his butt on your head, yeah, you're gonna want to wear a coat. So make sure you ask for a coat. So we got number 9 is makeup. If you're a girl who's wanting to learn how to do makeup and stuff like that, ask for makeup for Christmas, like makeup and the brushes, so you can get into doing makeup. I know me, for the past few years for Christmas, all I've been asking for was makeup, and it just made me really like elevate into getting more farther into doing like into makeup. Oh, that just made me think about my Ulta stuff. Hold on. My Ulta and Sephora. I'm sorry, y'all, sidetracking, but that made me think about my Ulta and my Sephora birthday gift. I need that. I did get my free birthday gift, so I don't even know why I was focused on that, but yeah. Back to our Christmas list, makeup, boo. If you're a makeup girl like me, like I said, I've been asking for makeup for years, and it really helped me improve on my makeup. So if you want to be a makeup girly, or just want to be a girly girl who likes makeup, ask for makeup for Christmas, boo. Moving on is a makeup bag. If you're going to ask for makeup for Christmas, you're going to need a makeup bag so you can put everything in there. The basic things I think you should ask for Christmas, as in makeup, would be probably cream foundation, because sometimes people are not ready to work with liquid foundation when they're first starting off with makeup. So cream foundation, concealer, blush, brushes, and really I would say that's it for a little light beat for you learning, a little light beat to learn how to do some simple stuff. That stuff. When you're ready to get into the deeper parts of makeup, then maybe you can ask for a few more things. You just got to do your research basically on what you feel like you need for certain types of beats, because I have literally everything, like everything for the makeup. Like I have contour, sculpting palette, illuminating palette, and all of that. So I have a lot of stuff into my makeup because I'm really into makeup. Like I love doing my makeup. You have a camera. If you're trying to get into your content bag and all of that, girl, ask you for a camera. You don't even need to be no expensive camera. It can be one of those 4K cameras off Amazon. Them cameras work just as good. Or one of those cameras I've been seeing all over TikTok, the Muse. It's just like the that, I forgot the name of it, but you know that little camera that every content creator has now? It's just like that camera. Literally just like that camera. But it's a cheaper alternative off the TikTok shop. Even though the quality may be a little off, the quality is kind of the same. So if you want to get into your content bag, ask for a camera. Moving on, if you're going to be in your content bag, baby, you need a laptop. You need something to edit on. So ask for a laptop. It could be a MacBook. It could be an HP. It could be any type of laptop. It don't got to be no, extra laptop. A laptop is a laptop. All of them work the same to me. Number 13. I know this may be on most of people's Christmas list, but Beats and AirPods. Me personally, I think you should ask for Beats, because AirPods, they just been bothering me lately. I love my AirPods dearly, but they've been bothering me lately. So if you want something that might last a little longer, get some Beats. They be saying the same thing about Beats. I don't know. Child, headphones are headphones to me. Number 14, we have an iPad mini. If you don't want to use your laptop or anything to edit, or if you just don't want a laptop, get an iPad. Me personally, I think an iPad mini is the best alternative instead of getting a big, huge iPad. If you like something convenient and easy to carry around, I suggest the iPad mini. I really wanted an iPad mini, but then I was like, I already have an iPad, so do I need it? No, I don't. But if you do, and you don't have an iPad, you can put an iPad mini on your list. 15. Every girl has them. Like, it's really self-explanatory, a Stanley Cup. If you want to, if you're one of the girlies who love to match their Stanley Cup with a fashion, go ahead and get you a Stanley Cup. Add that to your list. Along to go with your Stanley Cup, some Stanley Cup accessories. That's number 16. Don't nobody want no plain Stanley Cup, so just get some accessories to go in your Stanley Cup. You know, the bedazzle it, make it look cute, make it look tea. Okay. Number 17, we have skincare products. So if you're a girly who's really into your makeup, no, not makeup, but your skincare, ask for some skincare items like Noxzema, Clean and Clear, Elf skin products, anything, Fenty skin products, anything that you feel like going to be good for your skin. But first, do your research, because you don't want to be putting nothing random on your skin. So put some specific skincare products that you want. Don't just put skincare products, because when you put skincare products, sometimes people would just go and get some skincare products and be like, here, this is what you asked for. And then the whole time you can't even use it because it's going to break you out. Now we have number 18, body care. I love me some perfume, body scrubs, different types of deodorants and all of that. Go ahead and ask you for some body care stuff. That you can't go wrong with asking for body care on Christmas, because everything be on sale. So you're bound to get a whole bunch of perfume. Like, really, perfumes, body scrubs, all of that. My top tier number one thing that I ask for on my list, because I'm really into all my body care stuff. Like, I have so many sugar scrubs and stuff like that. I still have to do a hygiene video, so I will be doing one of those soon, so y'all can really see my collection or whatever. Moving on to number 19, we have a robe and slippers. You can never go wrong with that either. Like, sometimes you just want to get out the shower, put on a robe and put on your slippers and just chill. At this age, that's what I be wanting to do. So robe and slippers. The last and final one, jewelry. Me, I'm not a jewelry girly for real. All I wear is literally all these earrings in my ear, my belly button piercing, these piercings, this one, and my piercing right here. So yeah, all my jewelry really stays in, unless I'm like, all my jewelry stays the same unless I'm cleaning it or I want to interchange my nose piercings and my belly button piercing. All my jewelry pretty much stays the same. Like, I don't really wear necklaces and stuff like that, but I'm trying to get more into getting stuff like that. So if you're gonna be a girl, if you like to have different types of jewelry and stuff, ask for jewelry, ask for rings, necklaces, earrings, all that stuff. Okay, now that I told you guys everything on that list, I want to tell you my list personally and why I chose these items. So that was that list. Now we're going to move on to the list of my items that I got. This is called Ariana's Lovely Fabulous Christmas Wish List. Yes, I'm extra. So number 1, I asked for body care, such as body wash, body scrub, perfume, lotion, and exfoliating type of things. So yes, like I said before, that was top number 1 on my list, because I just love having me different types of scents and stuff like that. Like, I love to have different stuff. Like, the washing is just so calming just to smell different every shower. So yeah, I have that. Number 2 is underclothes. Of course, I already told y'all, never can go wrong with those. Number 3 is stuff for my business, like braid gel, combs, and clips. As for wig stuff, such as wig glue, wig spray, aka bedhead wig spray, and wig caps. I asked for that type of stuff because I'm really into wigs and I'm trying to get into wig influences. So I'm trying to have everything that I need so I can really start. I already have started, but I really want to start having all of the stuff that I need so I can really just get these wigs and just go. I asked for a Coach bag. Like I said before, I just want me a Coach bag. It's giving cute, bigger a bag. I need it. A curly wig. Of course, I asked for a wig for Christmas because I always been wanting a curly wig, but I don't be knowing the good ones to get. The brushes, like I said, can't never go wrong with makeup brushes. That goes along with the next one, which is makeup brushes and makeup, of course. So really, that is gonna be all for everything that's on my Christmas list. I don't think I asked for anything too crazy for real. I just asked for like the simple stuff for really. Like my Christmas list this year is really like simple. And that's literally it for this video. I'm going to edit this today, so y'all gonna really see like how consistent and how I'm really trying to get on track. But yeah, I'm gonna edit this today, and tomorrow I think I'm gonna do, I don't know if we're gonna do the Christmas winter showcase or the winter morning routine, one or the other. But I hope y'all enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you get notified anytime I post. I hope y'all enjoy Vlogmas Day 9, and I will be back tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 10. Bye.